Oh no, I've gone too far. Like, oh my God, I've lost my mind.
You created a monster, right?
I've created a monster. What's up, guys? It's WADZ with the WADZ Up channel. How you guys doing? Today, we're kicking off part 4 of our Overland build on the F150. Now, we haven't met before. On this channel, we're focused on adventure, gear reviews, and taking you to must-see destinations. Now, speaking of adventure, today we're at Prima Graphics, and we're kicking off a graphical Overland adventure wrap on the F150. It's gonna be a lot of fun. We're gonna go inside and talk to Louis, the designer, for the WADZ Up mobile. So come join us. Some of you guys might be thinking, what in the heck does a wrap have to do with overlanding? I really wanted to customize and add my own little unique touch to this overland build. God, it looks so menacing. Let's tell a story on the F-150. Let's do a wrap, and but do it in the sense of when you look at it, it speaks to you as adventure and overlanding. What you got cooking here, Louis?
With all these images,
yeah,
we wanted to connect them. So we went all across the truck. That starts from the left, like you have all these mountains and a lake. Then you see the river, the camaraderie, the
campfire.
Exactly.
Having a cold one around the fire with a dirt bike. Great work.
Yeah.
We're gonna go back inside here in the future me. How does she look?
I think you'll be happy.
That is flippin' awesome. Yeah, I love this look. You gotta have the compass. Ambassador of adventure. That cracks me up, but I think it's appropriate. Created the truck again with the rooftop tent. We got the WADZ Up Screaming Eagle. That's classic. And we got the West Coast mountains. Got the motorcycle on the side there, blasting off some dirt. You know, it's a story and draws you in. If you want to see part 5 of this overland build, click that notification button to see more. We're not done yet. We got a long ways to go. So stick around. We're having lots of fun with this build. And if you haven't subscribed, smash that subscribe button. Thanks for joining. Just be honest with me. Did you get into graphical overlays because you just like stickers as a kid?
Pretty much, man, yeah.
How many stickers do you have at home?
I used to have like a sticker book at home when I was a kid.
I knew it!